crowd round you then when him feel any. But you are going, what about your brother? Bodyguard. Because he beat up the man cousin.
Marcus bodyguard?
Yeah. Quick that plan for move to him, you know.
I hope you tell him say suicide that.
Eh? He nearly commit suicide. But don't worry about that, we'll fix things. Alright, look like say it not fixed fully.
Who this? Fugitive or a free man? Brother, I know you. Everybody know you. You're a popular man. Well, me don't know you. Obviously you're not popular. So I don't have no conversation with you.
Yes, I am here alone.
Oh, you get an epiphany. Dada, are him a Marcus bodyguard?
Him same one.
Look here. Me and you have some unfinished business. Mr. Wallace, as much as me I like spend some time and talk to you, time against me. But we will talk another day. By the way, security alone, yard man here. Dada. Dada. Like how you go on in the community, you know, man. Yeah, man. Things are going, you know what I mean? Place up. Yeah, man, a year kind of thing that, man. I want to see it continue, you know what I mean? I know you like see it too. But you are going on. You have to make your little people them know. See them move too quick. You have to make some of them get sick. By the way, friend, violate, right? Only because they see you while they left him down there in a hole. So the next time he'll try that. But I know some funeral song.
Savage. Fix things, man. I'm for about it.
You don't fix it? You know me will fix it, right?
They tell you to expect the visit though. So Dada, where you feel like go on? I don't have a clue.